Hi guys, I'm Priyanshi and today I'm going to be talking about a very important topic. Today I'm going to discuss the 3 biggest mistakes that you are making in your accountancy paper because of which you're losing a lot of marks. Now the first big mistake that I see everybody do is using stationery unnecessarily. Now the thing with stationery is that I know that in accounts paper you need a lot of columns, but all I see people do in accounts exams is use your scale and use your pencil. But you don't really have to use your scale so much that you're not even able to think about the question. So do remember that I'm not saying that don't use your stationery, but please use it only where it is required. Don't make extra lines, make only the lines that you need for your exam. This way you will save a lot of time in accounts exam, which is really needed. The second biggest mistake that everybody makes is starting with tough questions. Now the problem with tough questions is that when we start with tough questions, we get stuck in some of the transactions, and what we often do is we waste a lot of time in those questions. Now the third biggest mistake that you are making in your accountancy paper is getting stuck with something that I like to call time traps. Now what happens is your accounts paper is divided into sections which awards different marks. Often if you notice in your paper, the 3 markers and the 4 markers, or even the 1 marker for that matter, are the questions that are the trickiest in your paper. Usually the questions that have higher marks are easier so that people can bag those numbers. But what happens with smaller questions is the trick lies over there. So what happens is, let's say I'm answering a 3 marker question and I get stuck somewhere. So the 3 marker questions will have something which is a little tricky and where you will start wasting your time, which leads to a time trap question. So what you have to do is, when you see a question where you're seeing something new or a new transaction which you're finding difficult to answer, what you can do is please mark it in your question paper and come back to that question later, because it is going to lead to a lot of time waste. You can try that question when you first see it, and if you're not able to solve it within a certain amount of time, then you really need to take a call and go to the next question. This way you will save a lot of time. So guys, these are the 3 mistakes. I will be coming up with a lot more videos on accountancy papers and how to write economics papers. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. I also have my Instagram handle linked down below in the description. Thank you so much.